The carpenter ant is a wood-destroying ant species that can cause damage to your home or business. Like termites, carpenter ants will destroy any soft or damaged wood in or around your structure. Unlike termites, they don't consume the wood but bore through it to create tunnels for easy travel from the nest to food sources. First, it's important to identify the carpenter ant. The carpenter ant is one of the largest ant species in the United States, typically between 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch long. They can range in color, but a good tell is the number of their body segments. Ants have 3 segments, where termites only have 2. Next, inspect your property for signs of carpenter ant activity. Check woody areas that hold moisture, such as around windows, door frames, plumbing under kitchen and bathroom sinks, wooden structures, and any collections of wet or dead wood. You're looking for frass, which is wood debris found near tunnels, any damaged wood that will have smooth galleries and openings, or any ant trails and activity. You can also listen for clicking or rustling noises in your walls. It might sound something like this. Once you've confirmed carpenter ant activity, it's time for chemical control. Start inside with a bait like Ficam. This is a granular bait that can be used with a duster for easy application. Apply Ficam near sinks or drains, around appliances, along walls, or around bathroom fixtures. Next, apply Fipro aerosol foam to any cracks, crevices, and wall voids. This is a non-repellent foam, so the ants will unknowingly come into contact with it, return to the colony, and contaminate others. Apply Fipro around windows, doors, plumbing under sinks, or into walls. You can also puff an insecticidal dust, like defense dust, into voids. Treat outside with a non-repellent insecticide like Dominion 2L or Taurus SC. Mix with water, following label instructions, in a pump sprayer. Create a barrier around your home or business by spraying 1 to 3 feet up the wall and 1 to 3 feet out. Also spray around windows, doors, around eaves, entry points, or where pipes penetrate the wall. You can also spread and spot treat with Ficam bait around the property, and treat any cracks, crevices, or ant galleries that you've found with Fipro foam. Finally, prevent carpenter ants from returning by removing any wood debris from your property, trim vegetation back from the home or building, and stack firewood as far away as you can from the structure. You can also use boracare to treat wood that might be vulnerable to carpenter ant infestations. And there you have it, the Solutions Pest and Lawn Control Plan guaranteed to get rid of carpenter ants. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.